Inch tag makes life interesting. To make the long journey not too bored, LikeGo has been developing research and development in software platform and hardware equipment since 2008, and has successfully launched a series of VOD systems. LikeGo's VOD system is widely used in long-distance bus and luxury long-distance bus. The full VOD system consists of a server, a 3G router, an AC, several access points, several terminals, through a wireless connection. It is easy for installation and post-maintenance. Our server is using Linux system, built-in 256GB solid-state hard drive, and storage of a large number of high-definition video, games, advertising, and map information. It supports the replacement of more than 1 TB hard drive. 3G router. It is used to synchronize the advertising content on the cloud and the server, as well as report vehicle GPS information. An AC and several access points form a stable and smooth wireless network. The terminals within the network coverage can get access to the resources in the server. The number of access points depends on the number of seats on the bus. Normally, an access point supports 15 seat terminals. Our terminal system is running Google's latest Android 7.1. This system is much more secure and with efficient operation. For installation, a terminal only needs a power cable to connect the whole system. It is really convenient. So far, our VOD system supports 2 phones. One comes with terminal, which is installed on the back of the seat. Another one comes without terminal and connects with passengers' own devices. For now, we have 10-inch and 15-inch terminal available. Each terminal comes with a protective decorative frame. The terminal is framed into the back of the seat, so that passengers can adjust the different angles. The terminal uses IPS multi-point touchscreen, and the screen color is much more vivid, and the text is much more clear. Each terminal has a USB charging port for passengers to charge their device during long-distance travel. At the bottom of the terminal, we also equipped with the reading lights to facilitate reading at night. For the function, we can customize the boot advertisement, and passengers will see the boot advertisement as soon as they turn on the terminal. On the home page, there are many choices. Press video, you will see customized banner scroll, advertisement, and different types of videos. When you click any of the video, a video pre-roll advertisement will be played first, and then followed with the movie. If you would like to listen to music, no problem. There are different types of music for you to choose. Map is another thing that you would be interested. It can show you the route of the journey and current location of the vehicle. Besides, you can also set up different routes through the server as you want. Well, games are always needed during a long journey. Here, we can upload games to the server and they can be replaceable. Right now, we are working on developing some new features. We are working with Metrics to add DRM into our system, so it can be the world's leading film company's certified playback device. Here is the theory of operation for DRM. First of all, encoder or packager asks for keys to encrypt the content which is created in database for entitlements. Then, SMS sends the subscriber, content, and entitlement information to OMI. encrypted content is sent to the buses. It will be played out from a UI server that contains an HTTP server that gets the content via SD card or hard drive. In this scenario, the playback will happen using offline functionality. An Android device with the ViewWrite SDK with ViewWrite web client embedded will request decryption keys from ACSM in order to decrypt VOD assets available on the web server. This happens in online mode, so the client must have internet connection to reach the ACSM. Then ACSM checks database for client ID and asset ID. If the OMI database lookup returns a positive result, the decryption key is sent to the ViewWrite web client, and the requested asset can be decrypted and watched. If the OMI lookup returns a negative result, the key request is denied and an error is written in the log file. At last, the Android device reproduces the content